Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
We'll be pitting two top-notch dashcams against each other. On the left, we have the PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH, and on the right, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro dashcam.
Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dashcam video quality.
The PRUVEEO D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920*1080p resolution, capturing every detail with its 100-degree super wide-angle lens.
But wait, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes it up a notch with 4K UHD recording at 216 OP.
That's like watching your road adventures on the big screen. Point goes to the ROVE R2-4K Pro for its mind-blowing video quality. Now let's talk about GPS and tracking.
The PRUVEEO D90-4CH comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to pinpoint your location, speed, and routes in real time. It's like having your own personal navigator right in your dashcam.
On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K Pro also offers GPS functionality, recording precise driving routes and locations.
It even stamps the speed on the video as additional evidence.
It's a tie in this category. Night owls, this one's for you. When it comes to night vision, both dashcams shine bright.
The PRUVEEO D90-4CH features an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, ensuring clear recordings even in pitch-black spaces. But guess what? The ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the night vision game to a whole new level with its state-of-the-art technology.
It captures small details with its f1.5 aperture, making sure nothing escapes your watchful eye.
Another point for the ROVE R2-4K Pro. Let's talk about loop recording and emergency accident locks.
The PRUVEEO D90-4CH ensures indefinite loop recording by automatically erasing the oldest unlocked footage when the memory card is full. Plus, its built-in G-sensor locks the currently recording footage as evidence in case of a collision. The ROVE R2-4K Pro offers similar features, ensuring your important footage is always protected. It's a tie in this category too. Last but not least, let's discuss ease of installation.
The PRUVEEO D90-4CH is a breeze to install with its user-friendly manual and suction mount. No fuss, no hassle.
On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes it up a notch by allowing you to connect your smartphones using the latest dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You can even control all the settings through their advanced ROVE dashcam app.
It's like having a personal assistant for your dashcam.
Point goes to the ROVE R2-4K Pro for its tech-savvy installation process. Based on online reviews, the PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH is highly recommended for its performance, ease of use, and quality of camera angles.
Users are satisfied with its ability to capture footage in the event of an accident and easily transfer videos to a computer. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dashcam receives praise for its easy setup, quality design, and clear instructions.
Customers appreciate the no-hassle experience of transferring videos to their computer. Both products have their own unique strengths, but in the end, it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And that concludes our comparison between the PRUVEEO dashcam D90-4CH and the ROVE R2-4K Pro dashcam.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative comparisons.
Which dashcam do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments below. The links to both products are in the description.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.